Ever noticed you can't keep your eyes open while sneezing? Why does this happen? It's actually a reflex action. When you sneeze, nerves in your face trigger your eyelids to shut automatically. This protects your eyes from the sudden pressure and from germs or particles flying out during the sneeze. Some scientists also say it's the body's way of shielding the eyes from possible injury due to the force. We close our eyes while sneezing not by choice, but by nature's design, a tiny safety shield for our eyes. This is See the Point, revealing the hidden science in daily habits. Like, share, and subscribe for more facts that open your eyes. Literally.